This necktie tutorial is one of the simplest methods you will find online. For this project, the bigger piece measures 39 inches in length by 7 inches in width, while the smaller piece measures 27 inches in length by 1.5 inches in width. At the top edge, fold into a triangle as shown. Rule a line and cut along the marked edge. Next, overlock the raw edges and place the fabric pieces right sides together on fold, just as shown. Sew with a 0.5 inch seam allowance and repeat the same process on the other end. Turn the piece inside out and press the open end neatly with hemming gum. Now place the piece on fold again with right sides together. Measure 2 inches from the top, then measure 12 inches downward. Mark another 2 inches. While sewing, reduce the seam to 0.5 inch to the other end. Trim off the excess seam allowance. Turn the piece inside out once again and give it a good press. Measure 12 inches from the slimmer side and make another 2-inch mark. Bring the marked points together and make a small top stitch, leaving a small opening. On the opposite side, mark 3 inches from the middle. Create the rope by folding 0.5 inch 3 times and top stitch neatly, making sure both ends are well finished. Place the rope on fold, align it with the center of the tie and stitch one side to the marked point, then repeat on the other side. Finally, create the knot by passing the thinner side in first as shown. Then bring the bigger side over it. Adjust the knot to your preferred shape and your necktie is ready. If this tutorial was helpful, drop a comment, like, share and subscribe.